Hi my dear student, today we will discuss chapter 1 application of matrices and determinants. Exercise 1.7 question number 2 we have solved the system of homogeneous equations and discuss the value of lambda in this case. So we have x plus y plus 3z equal to 0, 4x plus 3y plus lambda times z equal to 0 and 2x plus y plus 2z equal to 0. In this case there is no constant term, always it will give me 0 because of homogeneous equation, and we want to discuss the value of lambda. So as usual we wanted to proceed the problem. We may get the matrix in terms of lambda. You wanted to discuss the value of lambda according to the given conditions. See here, this is a homogeneous equation. So if you are going to discuss about the value of lambda maximum, it has two cases. One is unique solution, that is trivial solution. One is infinitely many solution, that is non-trivial solution. So let us discuss the problem. Here I will use rank method. First step, the matrix equation is the form of Ax equal to B, where A is the position of x, y, z in order 1, 1, 3, here 4, 3, and this is lambda, and here 2, 1, 2. This is coefficient of x, y, z, and the variable x, y, z, which is equal to 0, 0, 0. So this is Ax equal to B. Next step, augmented matrix. Is write together A and B. I have 1, 1, 3, 0, 4, 3, lambda, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0. So I have 1 here, no problem. I can bring directly here 0 here and here by using R1. Leave the first row. R2 implies I have 4 here, just multiply and subtract. R2 implies R2 minus 4 times R1. And here I have 2, same sign, I will multiply 2 in R1, just subtract. R3 implies R3 minus 2 times R1. See, when you multiply minus 4 plus 4, 0. Minus 4 plus 3, minus 1. Minus 4 into 3, minus 12, lambda. So lambda minus 12. And this will be 0, leave it. R3 minus 2 times R1. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 2, minus 1. 2 minus 6, minus 4. And this is 0. I will multiply minus 2. So minus 2 into 1, minus 2 plus 2, 0. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6 plus 2, minus 4. And this is 0. Next I want to bring 0 here. Already I have minus 1 and minus 1. Directly I can subtract. R3 implies R3 minus R2. Leave the first row. Leave the second row. R3 implies R3 minus R2. So 0, 0, 0. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. R3 minus R2. R3 minus R2. So when you subtract R3, and this is minus of lambda minus 12. It will be minus 4 minus lambda plus 20. It will be minus lambda 8. So I have 8 minus lambda. It will be 0. It is an echelon form. It is in echelon form. Case 1. If lambda not equal to 8. This A33 position is not equal to 0 when lambda not equal to 8. The position A33 is not equal to 0, then the rank of A comma B and rank of A are equal, which gives the equal to number of unknowns. In case of 3 variable, 3 equations. So if lambda not equal to 8, this is not equal to 0. So if lambda not equal to 8, the rank of A comma B will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the rank of A will be 3. 1, 2, 3. That is 3. So in this case, the rank of A comma B, which is equal to rank of A, which is equal to number of unknown. Therefore, system is consistent. Solution will be unique. Unique means trivial. In this case, trivial. That is, x comma y comma z will be 0 comma 0 comma 0. Case 2. When lambda equal to 8. If lambda equal to 8, lambda is a particular value in this case I am taking. So I can show the matrix A comma B. 1 1 3 0. 0 minus 1. When you substitute lambda equal to 8 minus 12 minus 4. This is 0, 0, 0. Lambda is 8 means 8 minus 8, 0. And this is 0. So, in this case, the rank of A comma B 1, 2. And the rank of A is also 1, 2. That is rank of A comma B equal to rank of A, which is equal to 2, which is less than 3. That is number of variable. Therefore, system is consistent. Solution will be infinitely many. That is non-trivial solution. Got it? Here, solve the system of homogeneous equation, and also you want to discuss the value of lambda. So it is homogeneous equation, so we may discuss maximum 2 cases. One is unique, that is trivial. Another one is infinitely many solution, that is non-trivial. We are not going to discuss about no solution. So very first matrix equation, augmented matrix, echelon form. So it is an echelon form. I am getting lambda here and here. So because in this position, when A33 position is not equal to 0, the rank of A comma B and A are equal to number of unknowns. So rank of A comma B equal to rank of A equal to 3, which is equal to number of unknowns. Therefore, the system is consistent. It gives unique solution, that is trivial solution, which is 0, 0, 0. Case 2. If lambda equal to 8, this will be 0, 0, 0, 0. So what happen? This is a particular value, so I can show the matrix. According to the matrix, I can declare my rank of A comma B and rank of A as 2, which is equal but less than the number of variables. Therefore, the system is consistent, but it has infinitely many solutions, that is non-trivial solution. Is it clear?